guys, welcome to today's show. This is Cook and Dine. I'm your host Nyama Mungaro. Karibuni sana. So last week uliona kenye tuliweka. This week as I had mentioned earlier last week, nilikuwa nawaambia kutakuwa kuna guests wanakuja wanatuonyesha different recipes, and we are so glad today I'm honored to be in the same kitchen with this amazing lady. Oh yes, she's going to introduce herself. Atajisema majina zake, atasema kwenye anapikanga, kwenye hajui kupika, because you already know me, I don't know to cook, so I'm not going to force issues. Karibu sana Michelle.
Thank you.
Yes.
So hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a chef by profession. I do YouTube videos on basic recipes on under Michi Chow. Tenda tu mtafute hapo mahali. So today I'm honored to be here to work with Lolwe TV to assist with easy recipes. People think cooking is hard, but it's actually not. You just have to understand ingredients. Yes.
Sawa. If you say so.
You don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm glad to be here. I'll be of help. If anything that you guys want to know, please be open, comment down below, because I'll be here for some time. So I'll do my best to do the recipes that you want, that you request and all that. So yeah, let's do this.
So what are we making today?
So milk. Today,
maziwa mingi sana. Uchaguzi tunakula maziwa na ugali. So I'm not understanding. I'm not seeing ugali.
Now this is where now you think vitu za hoteli mnadhani ni kazi mingi. Si kazi mingi. Hapana, si kazi mingi. I will prove you today that is vitu si kazi mingi. So today we're doing breakfast items. So 3 types. One will be French toast. The other one will be a vegetable egg sandwich, and the other one will be sort of a snack. So peanut butter with banana. So be ready. It's not hard. So you guys can do this. Msijali, I am here.
All right. So let's do this.
Let's do this. So we'll start with the French toast.
Okay. French toast.
Yep. So we get a bowl here. So for eggs, huwa mnapata inaribika as often as I don't know how. So ina depend kwenye unanunua. So as always, try your best kukua have 2 bowls. So one for breaking, where to put your eggs, na kwenye utaka eggshells. So
okay.
So that's one. Kama mmezoea kutumia kisu, please tumia kisu. Mimi nimezoea hivi.
Nimezoea kutumia nini? Kutumia knife. Kwa sababu ukifanya hivi shwa kanaenda tu ka straight line.
Even though list tumezoea, so mtatumia mayai 3 depending na what recipe you have, watu mtu wako ngapi. Put enough milks. I don't know how to emphasize that. 1
napima na macho.
3 4 5. Like 5-6 tablespoons of milk. Do 8. 8 will be safer.
Yeah.
So just mix that in.
What does hiyo maziwa inasaidia na wapi?
Flavor.
Okay.
Considering the basic term in kitchen, this is a custard. It's custard. So this will help to make the bread taste cake-like. Does that make sense? Vile unakula keki na custard, mkate itaonja hivyo.
Okay. Hey, I've learned something new today. Still counting.
So now, if that's it, just need to mix it in, and that's it. So get a plate. Let me use this big one. Right here.
Okay.
So today I'm doing a salty one. There's a difference. Okay. So today I'm doing the salty one. Ndo watu wapendi sukari, itawasaidia sana. So like a very small pinch of salt. And if it's sugar, do like 2 tablespoons of sugar. That should be enough.
Okay.
And then also kaupendi iyo smell ya mayai. Use cinnamon. Do like a teaspoon or so. That should be enough for when yampendi your smell. Na kau unasikia smell bado iko, ongeza cinnamon. Cinnamon haina stress about all that.
Inakuanga mzuri sana
Yep.
kwa mwili.
So for heat, seme medium high ya katikati, si juu sana na si kidogo sana. So let the pan moto kiasi tu. Get the bread. Kwa hoteli tutumiangi crust, sijui mbona. Sijaelewa mbona. But what tutumii. But then either way, kama upendi crust,
actually tunafaitia kwa nyumba. What are you saying? Bila inakuanga main.
I know, right? No, unapigania juu na ya chini.
Ya chini, Sasa utachukua tipo ya chini.
So technically, why atutumiangi crust most of the time? Yes, kuna wageni hawapendi.
Yeah.
So we don't do that. But then also on the other hand, crust inasaidia mkate isikauke. Like see now, because originally ungetoa ibaki hivi. Alafu sasa ukifunga bado mkate iko exposed. Since crust haina that problem. Yeah. So crust helps to keep the bread fresh for long. At least 2 days the bread will itakaa as fresh as it was. So that's fun.
We didn't know.
Now you know.
Now we know.
Alright, so just use margarine, mostly margarine. What tunatumia butter, but butter is so expensive.
Yeah.
It's very expensive, so just use butter like this much, not much. So
like a quarter spoon.
Yeah, quarter. Or just enough to coat the pan. Perfect. Right, so now take the egg, the bread. This is very thinly sliced, so you don't have to soak it, because what we do, the slices are usually a bit thicker, so we leave it in this custard for like 5-7 minutes so that it soaks in. But then now since watu hawajazoea this type of thing, so we just dip it in and that's it. Like that should be enough for anyone who is feeling mwenye apendi mayai sana ama apendi ama ana feel this is too much. Just dip it in and then that's it. That should be okay. So let's move closer. Let the batter bubble up. And in we go. That sizzle has to happen. If that sizzle doesn't happen, your pan is not hot enough. Yeah. So be careful about that. So we let that brown. Yeah, we'll just wipe that off in a few. Just let that brown off approximately 2 to 3 minutes, depending with the heat of your pan or the heat you've used.
Okay.
Because not all burners are the same technically. So the safer you are, just make sure you brown too. Iki brown imeiva. That is all you should be concerned about.
Okay.
Yep.
So now there are those guys who don't do they want to have something like this, but wataki mayai. Lakini unataka kuchukua mayai una soak, unaweka hiyo margarine, upigi because si mayai. So what other option would they have?
For this, let me not lie, there's no plan B.
To learn another one.
We'll learn another one that's easier for people wenye hawezi kula mayai and all that. But this one hakuna half. This has browned enough.
Kabisa. So guys, keep it Lolwe. Enda usubscribe tafadhali. Tumeambiwa lazima ikuwe brown, so it's almost ready, I guess. Yeah. It's almost ready.
Yep, almost ready. Ready.
So enda ucomment, tuambie ni nini tunafanya right, yenye umelearn.
Kama tunafanya wrong,
something we're doing wrong, yenye umelearn sahi, utuambie. We need to have the conversation, the conversations keep on going on and on. Inanukia vizuri.
Now imagine if it has cinnamon, it would have smelled better. And then if you had butter, oh my goodness.
But this is like a
this is ready.
Kitu ya haraka haraka.
Kitu ya haraka sana.
Yes, kitu ya haraka haraka unafanya hiyo.
So just repeat. Add butter, dip, cook. That is all.
Nice.
So what you can serve this with is fruits of your choice. Fruits of your choice. Or even honey. Originally kwa hoteli wanatumianga maple syrup, right?
Oh.
So
this.
Yeah.
Sawa. Tumejua siri zenyu. Mtasha kutuchezea vichwa by the way.
Hapana, tufanyangi kwa ubaya.
How does it feel? So nikinunua toast tatu hivi unicharge That would be around, unajua hizo majina zingine zinakuanga pia zimecomplicate vitu.
Hapana.
Unapata sijui what mixed to sijui unasema nataka hii na chai.
Na unapata it's exactly there's something you can actually make at home.
Same thing.
Of which people look for convenience. Sasa hapo ndo kwenye hoteli gain a lot of money from because we are attacking your convenience. Kuna watu wapendi kupika kwa nyumba ama wana feel kayo ni pressure.
So guys, do not move because we are about to come up with another recipe of the same toast maze. Leo ni breakfast. Ndio kesho Sunday ukienda kanisani unapikia watoto wako, unajipikia mwenyewe, unapikia sweetheart. Keep it Lolwe, we'll be right back after a few seconds. Hi guys, welcome back to the show. This is Cook and Dine. If you missed the first bit, usijali, we got you. Tuko na YouTube channel pale YouTube. Enda pale uandike Lolwe TV Kenya na utatupata. Obviously, you can also follow us on our social media platforms. Facebook, Lolwe TV, Twitter, Lolwe TV, Instagram, Lolwe TV, and of course, you have to make comments. Maze, tuambieni, how was the first recipe? How different would you make your toast with eggs? Tulikuwa kuna mtu alikuwa anasema atapaka, they usually butter the bread, then they dip the bread, while the pan wameka mafuta, normal mafuta, cooking fat, alafu wana toast. So what's the advantage and disadvantage of that?
Advantage is yes, it will be yummy. But however, siku hizi watu wanachunga calories, things like that. So I would prefer not to butter the bread first because that's oil upon oil technically, right? Because sasa kama unakava na hiyo nini mayai, butter will still melt, gets into the bread, you've still oiled over here, so now it's double fats.
Too much oil.
But kama umind, have fun. Like cheers man, like.
But you have to be healthy.
Cheers.
Ujue tu kijua ni mafuta mingi. So guys, nitaenda kuonja. Ninaonja toast ya kwanza.
So vile nimefanya, you sprinkle some sugar. Ka utasikia hiyo chumvi itakuwa your taste or your palate. So I've sprinkled some sugar, so enjoy. If you have honey, drizzle it. It will be good.
Leo ninakuwa mzungu. Tunaongea kuhusu 5 star leo. So acha nikate hii mkate vizuri na fork and knife. So nilikuwa hapo ukipika because hii ni hoteli. I've tasted this before.
You didn't expect it, right?
No, I didn't. Like what? This is nice.
So msikuwa mnadanganywa, chakula hoteli si ngumu kufanya. You just need to understand the ingredients and how it's done. And it will be as easy as
this. Well, I can't wait. Let's go to the next recipe.
Next recipe. We're doing I don't know, vegetable omelette sandwich. So that will be also a way for, a snack if you're not having it as breakfast. So it can be something that you can have on the get-go as you go. So we're going to slice up things.
Hakuna kununua crisps all the time. Nanunua crisps miaka enda miaka rudi. Tengenezeni mkate bwana. So onions. Does the size matter? I want to learn how to cut onions.
You will learn. I shall teach you.
Where have you been all our lives?
Been studying.
Okay. Fair enough.
So 1 onion should be enough for like a portion of like 2 or even 1 kama unapenda, kama unajua appetite yako.
So like is it advisable to, because I myself, I love onions, kwanza zile zenye zimefraiwa tu. So is it advisable to have a lot of onions?
Omelets are your take. However you take it, do it. If you want 10 onions, jibambe.
Okay, unajua kuna kwanga ile measure.
Measure for who? Msidanganywe.
This is nice.
Tomato, 1 should be enough.
Yeah.
I would say size doesn't matter, but unfortunately kwa hoteli size does matter.
Yeah.
So kama umeamua specific size, fuata hivyo. It makes cooking easier.
Yeah.
Because things will cook at the same time. So that is a strategy that you might want to learn.
So if your onions are the round ones, just maintain na hiyo na.
Maintain
Okay.
sasa.
Okay.
Because it will make your life easier in cooking. Things will cook at the same time, so it makes life easier for all of us. Yeah.
Okay. You are learning. Same size, guys. Watumie ile ya juu kwa sababu it keeps the bread fresh. The bread, I'm talking about the bread. So the first slice, ile tunapigana all the time. Hiyo ni ya ku protect the rest of the bread. Tusipigane.
Half hoho,
Child is fun.
green pepper, bell pepper,
Yeah.
capsicum, whatever you think.
I have a question. So last week we kind of had like an argument with a few of my colleagues. What's paprika?
Paprika. It's the red bell pepper, dried and blended. So
Nilisema ni hoho ya red.
it is.
It's a fruit.
No.
No, it might. Anyways, I was.
Now
right.
you know.
Yes. Now we all know. Hadi Google, imagine.
It's actually bell pepper. Guy, what no overthink vitu by then? No, until when you learn them, you're like, man, why? Which is so sad. Like, now when you work in the hotel,
so
manze, it's okay. Right?
Yeah. Same size.
Same size.
All
pretty much.
across.
Well, not a tea. You have to use a ruler and everything. But
Yeah.
you know, like, try to be consistent with your sizes, stuff like that.
Okay.
Right, as that is going, pan on. Same level of heat, medium, hapo katikati.
All right.
That should be fine. Tuvunje mayai sasa.
Vunje mayai.
Mayai
Iko hapa.
kwa restaurant, an omelette, a basic omelette is 3 eggs. So,
3 eggs.
yes.
Oh.
So play according to your belly strength.
Kabisa. I love the way you just go.
Huh?
And it's
just a habit. You'll learn because you have to be fast. Kwa hoteli you have to learn how to like beat things pretty fast.
Yeah.
So utajipata ukiwa kunaitwaje hoteli. There's a day you break like 6 crates. That's for 1 recipe. So that day you have to do 10 recipes. So imagine how many eggs you have to crack. And then the one time there's 1 egg that's bad. Hence why nili insist. Ka hiyo part ya kuvunja, please vunja mali. Ukue too safe because I wasted 10 crates of eggs. So please no.
Because of 1 egg.
Because of 1 egg. Because now you can't use the rest of the eggs because of that. So yay. See our life. But it's okay.
Tuna learn.
Enough butter or oil. Ni juu sahi niko na hii. Na najisikia kutumia hii. Tumia mafuta kama umezika uko. Hiyo ndio uko nayo tumia. Hakuna restrictions hapo. Let the pan get hot then, or actually the butter.
Inafaa kuwa iko heated completely.
Heated. Not complete. Ikuwe enough heat so that you also don't burn the egg.
Yeah.
Because pia kuna standard.
Kuna standard.
Standard lazima.
This is awesome. We have a whole chef in the show, guys. What do you have to say? Please go on our social media platforms. Tuambie, how different do you do your things?
Yeah.
Has that ever happened to you? Like wasting 10 crays? Yo, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Umewahi kuhapenia as a chef or just at home? Umewahi piga mayai 3 na hiyo ndio umenunua. Then the fourth one. Hiyo mwisho iko tu ni mbaya. Has that ever happened to you guys? Let's keep talking.
So we're going to lightly chai Kikuyu in me. Lightly cook the vegetables. Ka utaki si lazima. It's a personal preference because everything tastes better
when cooked.
So yeah. Let me use this because there's no harm. I'm still doing the same thing anyway.
Yeah.
So just lightly.
Kuweka vyombo zikuwe chafu mingi. Unatumia the same everything same.
Chef sasa akiniona anaweza nichapa, ufai kutumia kijiko. Mtumia wooden spoon please.
Okay.
Hii ni juu tunapika kwa nyumba. Do the peppers first because they are harder than nyanyas. Well, tomatoes. They'll cook so much better like that. Very lightly. Yeah. The tables are clean. Yeah, tables are clean.
Ni wasafi. Tuliosha mkono pia. You have to be really clean.
That's it. I don't want it to cook for so long. Add the tomatoes.
Okay. So just to steam them up.
Just lightly, just for it to have some flavor, you know. Because now everything else in here, the butter is already getting the flavor from everything else. So just lightly fry them. Then for salt, work with what you got. Considering si tumeweza kufanya tu hivyo. Two pinches. Just put enough. If you have anything else, black pepper, paprika, chili, eka hiyo pia, yoshishida. Now in with the eggs.
Okay. So we didn't salt the eggs when you
No. Because there's risks of over-salting.
Okay.
So I don't want. It felt like doing an omelette, but I don't feel like it.
Okay.
I don't know. Do what you want, please. Like as in, if you want to do an omelette, do it. If you don't want,
Same
just
concept,
scramble it up. It's the same concept. There's nothing major. Hakuna difference.
Sawa.
Taka omelette ikiwa imeshikana yache. Kautaki hivyo, just scramble it up. But now what I would prefer, usichokoze sana sahi.
Okay.
Like wache coagulate. Shikane kidogo, then now you break it up so now it makes, I don't know, better bite pieces than when you're scrambling it all through because it becomes very tudogo. So I don't want to do that. So acha hivyo. In the meantime, get the bread ready.
To get the bread ready.
Yep.
Just open it up.
Yeah, just open it.
Put this together.
Just put it in one of the plates.
Open the bag of inachonga bag.
Wait, just take out the bread.
How many slices?
Just 2.
Alright.
But apart.
Apart.
Yeah.
You have your bread.
So now from here it depends with your preference, like how well done you want your eggs.
Okay.
This is how it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be dry. It's not supposed to be depend na mgeni. So since mgeni wangu nataka aje? Hivi iko sawa?
Unaona iko aje?
Mimi naona iko sawa. And that's done. And let's put this. Thank you. Just plate up as you would want, I think. See why I said it's approximately for like 2-3 people, depending with how well you want to stuff the sandwich, or yeah, pretty much that's the only reason. Hakuna reason ingine. Sorry about that. Considering I want it to be extremely full, take hapo. And there we go. So now what I will do after this, considering right now this is more of a, I just want it to be simpler. Just do the eggs, put it in a container or wrap it up in cling film. Cling film ni ile clear ama foil, so that it retains the heat. Unaeka hivyo ka umeenda. If you have some extra 2-3 minutes, have your pan, put it on low heat, not low heat, medium high heat, adding some butter, brown this, like now you brown both sides, so now it will have a crunchy, like it's like now like double toasting it now, so then now you'll have a crunchier toast. So then enjoy mgeni wangu.
So sorry to picnic, and I am the picnic picnic
Picnicker.
person. Picnicker. And I will do the honors. Aya, thank
Enjoy.
you so much for showing us this recipe, Mazi. I still feel spoiled. I will just
Enjoy.
have a bite. You know so?
Well, we have learned Asians eat hot food, which is something I'm learning of recent. Hey, those
Wow.
people eat hot food, like hot, like burning.
Nimechomeka kidogo lakini ni tamu sana. The butter is, I feel like the salt from the butter and the
Helps.
salt, it's awesome. It's crunchy. The onions, mbona ziko hivyo? What did you put that I wasn't looking? It's like I wasn't paying attention. It's awesome. It's so juicy by the way.
Thank you so much.
Tastes nice. Smells amazing.
Thank you.
Smells really amazing, guys. Do not move because there's another one special recipe coming up. Keep it Lolwe, keep it Lolwe, keep it Lolwe. We'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Cook and Dine. I'm your host Neema. Tuko na Michelle hapa. Ana surprise too. Guy, see, I'm so glad you're here.
Oh, thank you so
So
much.
we just made two recipes, the toasted bread with the one you toasted.
French toast, yeah?
French toast. Then we had the
Egg
scrambled egg sandwich, which is that one was really, really nice. Now,
Thank
what
you.
else do we have? What else do we have for us?
Sasa hii itakuwa a dessert version. So all
Okay.
you need is bread. Hand me the bread, please.
Bread.
Thank you. Peanut butter. I prefer crunchy, but sahi ndo iko. So
Okay.
tumia crunchy if you have.
Okay.
And bananas. That's
Of course.
it. So just need like just one banana actually.
Okay. A banana. Haimanishi, it has to be really ripe or the
No.
medium or-
Medium. Like
Okay.
not too runny, not too I don't know, not runny. Not too ripe, not raw. Just enough.
I was wondering hiyo running ikina.
I know you're running.
Ni za Kisii, za Ukambani ama za huko side ingine.
Do this is like a centimeter. This size.
Yeah.
And all very thin slices, not too thin because you need a bit of a bite.
Okay.
Then that's it. Alright. Butter your peanut butter your thing. Oh, heat up your pan so that it just makes life easier. Like right there. Help me the other plate, please.
Right.
Just do a pair. And butter.
So like you need a lot on the
As
the
much as
slice.
you want.
Okay.
Depending with your preference as well, because kuna watu pia wapendi too much.
Too
So
much.
I'm just doing the right amount. And both slices.
Okay. So for the guys who are allergic to peanuts, you have to do the other recipes or you
No.
Okay.
This one now at least you can do the jam or Nutella.
Nice. Yes.
Preferably Nutella. Then just lay your banana slices on top of the bread. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, then just top it up. The pan by now should be hot enough, so let's heat it, put the butter in. Let me this.
Okay.
There we go.
Same amount as the other.
Just enough.
Enough.
All you have to do is just make sure it's enough for frying. Then just toast. Just until it's brown, and pretty much that's it. Actually,
What?
yeah.
You have your own toast dessert.
Dessert, imagine.
This one is called what?
Peanut butter, huh?
Lazima tukue na jina.
PBB.
PBB. Hey, I love that. PBB. Peanut
Lol.
butter, banana. You have the bread
Yeah.
also. Hey, hapa tuko tu sawa. Awesome. So
Just let it
another-
brown, that's all. Huh?
Can you do this using a toast?
Toaster. Yeah.
Yeah, toaster.
And then what I will do preferably is now like butter the bread very lightly. Then now you put it in the
on
toaster.
both sides.
That should be enough.
Nice.
See, perfect brown.
What? How do you do? Ningefanya hivyo ingekuwa imechomeka.
It comes with experience. Add a little bit more. Just to help it brown a little bit.
Yeah.
Kama unaogopa kushika, sijui utafanyaje, but itabidi. Then just give it like another 30 seconds, 40 seconds, because the other side it's already hot enough.
Yeah.
That's done. In we go.
Wow.
And that is your dessert. Just slice it up so that you have that. At least you can see the peanut butter has melted.
It's melted.
Then the banana surely has just warmed through, so that's all you need. So
wow.
Enjoy.
That was less than a minute, you know. Utani surprised to I can't wait to learn more other recipes from you, honestly.
Anytime.
Wow.
Be careful.
Yes, asante. Oh, it's nice.
So now imagine if it was crunchy butter. So now there's better texture. So hence why I suggest crunchy would be ideal because of the texture part. Because now it's just soft.
Yeah,
so now if it's crunchy, you'll have
you chew the peanuts. Guys, you have to try these recipes. If you don't, unami sana. For every awesome, magical episode. Oh gosh, I can't wait to do other recipes from you. Make sure, where can we get you? Where can we follow you? You said you mentioned
on YouTube and Michi Chow, and also on Instagram, still Michi Chow. So
we can't wait to
hope to see you guys there.
We can't wait to learn from you. As you follow her, you will have to follow Lolwe TV.
Yes.
Instagram at Lolwe TV, Twitter Lolwe TV, Facebook Lolwe TV, YouTube Lolwe TV Kenya. You have to put Kenya so you can get the right channel, guys. Make sure you do that. Tuambie other recipes that you do using the bread, using different comments because we can't wait to talk to you guys. Unfortunately we have to go. But we are here next week, definitely. So make sure you keep it Lolwe. Kuna other programs zinakuja. Do not move. Till next time, guys. This has been Cook and Dine. Bye.